Are you looking for the best car screen cleaners? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best car screen cleaners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Chemical Guys Total Interior won the top award in our Best Interior Cleaners test in large part because of its ability to clean glass and touchscreens, something not all interior cleaners will safely do. Total Interior wins Best Overall Screen Cleaner for much the same reason. We chose it as our best overall screen cleaner because of its versatility in all-around car cleaning. Simply put, using this stuff keeps you from buying a separate cleaner specifically for your car's touchscreen. In our book, that's value and convenience, and we love both those things. It works tremendously all over the cockpit and cabin of any vehicle, and the grease and smudges we put on our test nav screen came off with an easy wipe. No rubbing required. If the stuff works and you already own it, why buy anything else? Especially now that it comes in handy 50 packs of wipes you can keep in the car. Up next in the 4th place is the Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer Cleaner, another product that made our Best Interior Cleaners test. Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer Cleaner works all over the interior of any car, as well as on the windshield and touchscreen. It's our best value pick because 1, it has applications beyond the nav screen, and 2, it's more affordable than the competition. Meguiar's cleaner degreased our touchscreen in one smooth wipe, with just a quick buff to remove the inevitable streaks. It left the screen clear and smudge-free. The 3rd product on our list is the EVEO Premium Screen Cleaner. Formulated for use on even the most sensitive types of LCD, LED, CRT, and OLED screens, EVEO also claims to remove static electricity from screens. In our test, we saw no reason to doubt that claim. EVEO did a fantastic job at cleaning our screen in just one wipe and left virtually no streaks. We liked the packaging and found that its high retail price is often marked down. The only drawback we could find with EVEO is perhaps its greatest strength. It cleans screens, all screens, but only screens. This stuff worked really well on every phone, laptop, computer monitor, and glass surface we cleaned with it. It even cleaned a car window. We had to try it and claims to work great on glass stovetop surfaces and most big screen TVs too. But if you're looking for a total interior cleaner, you'll need to look elsewhere. 2nd on our list is the Whoosh Electronics Wipes. With 90 towelettes and an included micro-suede towel, Whoosh wipes are the most convenient screen cleaner of the bunch because they stow easily in a console, glove box, or trunk. Just wipe the screen clean, then wipe again with the micro-suede to dry the drops. They're designed for all types of screens and electronic devices. In our test, Whoosh wipes worked well in cleaning smudges and fingerprints from the screen of our Lexus NX 450h Plus. The only downside with wipes is they leave the screen wet and require a second step to finish the job: a dry wipe and buff with a microfiber towel. If the screen isn't fully dried, which in our case took more than just a wipe, it needed a decent drying and buffing. Streaks and spots will occur. Finally, the top product on our list is the Flawless Screen Cleaner. Flawless makes eco-friendly cleaners for all kinds of things, right here in the USA. This screen cleaner is derived from natural sources and contains no toxins, harsh chemicals, or odors. It works on glossy and matte displays, glass and plastic, and LED, LCD, and OLED TV screens. In our test, it worked well in removing smudges and fingerprints from our car's infotainment screen, cut through grease like a champ, and left the screen on our test vehicle shiny and clear. Flawless comes in a 16-ounce bottle for household applications, but is also available in a 3-pack of mini 2-ounce bottles, so it's easy to drop one into the center console or glove box of any vehicle. Just make sure you carry a clean microfiber cloth to use exclusively on your screen. You don't ever want to scrape any dirt or debris from a dirty cloth onto your car's touchscreen. To that end, the cleaner is top quality. The provided towel is not. We found the included microfiber felt thin and rather flimsy compared to others we had in the garage, and we wouldn't trust its red dye not to bleed in the washing machine. And that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.